Hello! Let's learn today the letter Y. Letter Y sound Y. Y is for yellow. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yak. Yellow, yo-yo, yogurt, yak. Now, please, take a pen or a pencil and try to write the letter Y. Time to read now. Y, O, Y, O, yo-yo. It's a yo-yo. Y, O, K, yak. It's a yak. Y, O, T, yacht. It's a yacht. Read the words with letter Y. Yellow, yogurt, yo-yo, yak. Yellow, yogurt, yo-yo, yak. Baby, happy. Family, baby, happy. Family. Cry, cry. Now you read. You will see the word. Try to read. Yo-yo, yak, yellow, family, happy, cry. Thank you. Subscribe on Instagram. There you can buy my workbook. See you next time. Bye bye.